In this lesson, we will learn how to present different scenes from our model on paper. To do that, we will use the Layout plugin, which is installed along with SketchUp. Before we begin, I have to mention that layouts are 2D working environments for creating drawing sheets, and I will show you how to select the paper size of the layout and place a scene in it. So, let's get started. While the outdoor scene is active, I will expand the File menu and select the Send to Layout option. After a while, the Layout plugin launches, and the Choose Template window appears so I can select the paper size. When you choose a template, apart from size, you should also pay attention to the orientation of the paper. If I click the Title Block tab, I can find templates that contain certain information about the project, such as the title, the author's name, the date, and so on. You can take a few minutes to open some of the templates and see their differences, so you can decide which one you want to use. In this example, I will select the A3 Landscape template. After a few seconds, the template opens, and the selected scene of the model is placed in the center of the paper. You can zoom in by scrolling the mouse wheel forward and zoom out by scrolling the mouse wheel backward. The default tray appears in the Layout plugin, too, but this time its tabs are different because they contain settings related to the layout and not the scene. Notice that at the top of the window appears the main toolbar, and we can use those tools to edit the layout. To change the angle of the scene, you have to double-click inside the viewport so you can edit it and orbit the scene as you see fit. To exit viewport editing, you can press the space bar once. In the labels that appear around the viewport, you can indicate the name of the author, the title of the project, and its location. To change which scene appears in the viewport, you have to select the viewport, expand the SketchUp Model tab of the default tray, and then select a different scene from the Scenes drop-down. It's worth mentioning that from the Camera group of the SketchUp Model tab, you can also choose the view of the scene if you expand the Standard Views drop-down and select one of the available options.